In this video, we'll have a look at an interview question: how to code producer consumer using the lock interface. So here we have a class prod con lock, producer consumer lock. Next we have our atomic boolean to check either the producer is running or the consumer is running. This is our lock. So we have a reentrant lock. The default value is false. From our lock we get a condition. The condition will be used to await or signal, and this is our atomic integer which will be produced and consumed. Our main method is quite simple. We have a producer and the consumer class. The constructor takes the lock, running, condition and number. Similarly, the consumer takes lock, running, condition and number, and P starts here and the C starts here. So producer and consumer start here. Let's see how producer works. So producer extends thread. So producer is a thread and it initializes the number, lock, running and the condition in the constructor. It overrides run and in an infinite loop calls the produce method. We have given it a sleep of 1 second so that our output is cleaner and we can see something, else it will be very fast and you will not be able to distinguish much on the output. Let's see produce method. In produce method we take the lock and then we go and check if running is true. Running is true means the producer has produced and is waiting for the consumer to consume. So we call condition.await. If running is false, we do a compare and set as true. So we set the condition as true, saying that we have produced. We produce a number. So number.increment and get. That's how you increase a number with atomic integer. And we print that P has produced. And then we do a signal all to signal all other threads waiting on this, saying that we have produced, you are ready to consume. Finally, we unlock. Let's see how we consume this in the consumer. So our consume or class C extends thread. Similar to producer, it initializes the variables in the constructor. And we have the run method which runs to eternity. So that's while true, infinite loop, sleeps for a second and consumes. Let's see the consume method. In consume, we take the lock and we check if running is false. Running is false means nothing has been produced yet and we are waiting for producer to produce. If running is true, that means producer has produced. So we simply print a message, C has consumed, and then signal everyone that I have consumed. So you are ready to produce, and we do a lock.unlock. So that's how you can write producer consumer using our reentrant lock. Let's run this. So producer produces and consumer consumes. So this will go on till infinity. Thanks for watching.